Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video we are going to discuss about a fantastic AI tool where you can analyze your research paper, that is reference paper, very easily, and it will also generate questions related with that paper automatically, and the answers for the questions also will be generated through that AI tool. And also you can type any questions you want related with that particular PDF you are uploading or particular text you are giving, so thereby it will answer for that particular questions also. So let us go on to today's video and explore how that AI tool will works out, and then how it will sort out our questions and give correct answers for our questions. Let us go on to today's video. The AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that Unriddle, so you can understand anything. I am using Unriddle AI right now for my research into single cell multiomics framework, and it's amazing. So this is all about Unriddle. So understand any documents in minutes with AI. So generate an AI chatbot on top of the document so that you can quickly find, summarize and simplify information. So what you have to do is you get started for free. So and then you'll be having a dashboard like this here. So here you can give select files. Before that you have to log in through your Gmail ID. So I am going to log in through my Gmail ID. So after you have logged in, you will be seeing the options here. You can see guide, support, affiliate, upgrade, feedback. So these are the things we can do. So Unriddle generate an AI on top of any PDF or body of the text. So writing good prompts, so useful prompts, model settings. So these are the things available in guide. So here you can give support. So you can open it using any of the following in your system, that is any of the softwares. So next what we are going to do is we are going to upload a paper. So in this I am going to select a paper which is need to be analyzed. So I am going to upload a paper. So generating. So here you can see our paper is uploaded. So the paper I have uploaded is, this is the paper I have uploaded. You can see this is the paper, LCR paper, a new approach for dynamic fuzzy logic parameter tuning in ant colony optimization and its application in fuzzy control of a mobile robot. So this is the paper I have uploaded here. So let us see how it will generate answers for that particular question. So here you can see it will generate automatically, have generated the questions. Explain this to me like I am 5. Next, what is the mobile robot and why do we need to control it? So what is a fuzzy trajectory control? What does it mean to optimize membership function? How does the ant colony optimization work? These are the important questions can be the possibility of asking in that particular PDF. So I am going to click on that. I am going to click this question, what is a fuzzy trajectory controller? So after that let us wait whether it will generate answers or not. So it is started to generate. You can see Unriddle. Yes, our answer is started to generate. Here you can see a fuzzy trajectory control is a system designed to apply any adequate torque to a mobile robot such that the robot's measured positions reach reference trajectory. The controller receives an input variable, the error, in a linear and angular velocity. So like that it will generate answers for that particular question. So thereby you can make use of this option to generate particular question, particular answers. So I am going to ask my own question. What is the advantage of using ant colony optimization technique? So let us see whether it will generate answers or not. So it is loading. That is what we have asked, is that what is the advantage of using ant colony optimization technique. So here you can see our answer is generated. ACO is beneficial in robotics due to its ability to solve complex optimization problems inspired by the foraging behavior of real ants. It adapts and controls parameters based on past performance memory, which is crucial in bio-inspired optimization algorithms. ACO is particularly useful in mobile robotics for autonomous navigation in challenging or dangerous environments. It also aids in the design of fuzzy controllers, specifically optimizing membership functions for trajectory control in a unicycle mobile robot. So like that, it will generate the solution for the question we have asked, that is what is the advantages. It is listing out what are the possible advantages from this paper for that anti-colony users by using anti-colony optimization in this particular paper. So these are the fantastic options available in this Unriddle AI. So you can ask any questions you want, and then your answers will be generated according to the input you are giving. So for example, we have uploaded a PDF. So from that PDF it is giving the answers. So we tried out with text. For example, we can paste text here also. For that I am going to my common, that is I am going to my common topic. So here I am going to copy and paste the first 3 paragraphs of this topic here. So and then giving generate. So it is to be for using this text option, you need to be upgraded. So or else you can use with another email ID, I think so. Let us wait for this. Okay, here the token is expired for us as we have crossed the credit limit in Unriddle. So it is a limited option only, so you can make use of this option to analyze your paper better. Here after that our network is restored, so you can upload papers only. So for using this URL copy and you can paste your text, you need to be go for upgrade. So here click on upgrade option. So here for upgrade you can use up to 5 credits per month. So maximum 120 page or 30 MB per upload, interact with documents, summarize web pages. So these are the credits you can use for free. You can use 5 credits per month, thereby you can use 5 papers for free. As I have already used more than 5, that is around 5. So it is asking for upgrade option. So in order to analyze the papers, you can use this. Up to 5 papers you can avail. So for that is for month more than 100 credits. So you can use $16 per month to avail 100 credits. So here you can see maximum up to 2000 pages or 50 MB per month. You can summarize page. So here you can see get beta features also. So in this you can avail the chatbot features also. So a chatbot will be very helpful to analyze the answers also. So here you can see for premium plan it is $40 per month. You can use up to 250 credits per month. So according to your use, you can make use of this option. So for free you will avail 5 credits. Thereby you can upload 5 papers and you can analyze this answers with this particular that is PDF. So this is an important tool for your literature survey. So you can make use of this option to make your literature survey very better. So this is all about your Unriddle. So and also you can see this affiliate link. So you can go for affiliate option also. Refer Unriddle to your friends and followers and earn 20% of the first payment made by anyone who signs up through your link. There is no limit how much you can earn. If you are interested in, you can go for affiliate link and then you can suggest that Unriddle for your friends. Thereby you will be getting through affiliate marketing. You can earn rewards. So the you can see what are the plans available. So 2 signups of the premium yearly you can $480 into 2. So like that there are different plans related with affiliating. Those who are interested in affiliate program, so you can join with this Unriddle AI. So this is all about this Unriddle AI. Hope this video will be helpful for you. So you can use this Unriddle for your research article preparation, especially for your literature survey analysis. So have a nice day. Thank you.